Hey, what up, y'all? So another entity that you guys will have the opportunity to join is going to be called Gods Amongst Men. First and foremost, I don't want any of the ladies to think that you can't join because it's called Gods Amongst Men. If you've been following me, then you know that's the book. The book and the book title that made me a #1 selling author is Gods Amongst Men. So, in a nutshell, we basically going to be tapping into our godly frequencies, challenging ourselves, pouring into ourselves. I'm going to be speaking life into you. Hopefully you get to a place where you can speak it back, and we just got a bunch of life-speaking motherfuckers in one big group. But anyway, y'all, so one of the things we're going to focus on especially are the 3 Ps. If you know anything about those, that's one of the tattoos I actually have. It stands for preach, provide, and protect. Quick example. Preaching is you having the ability to pour into your family and educate them. Providing, you already know what that means, making sure they got the necessities and even the extra shit that they want out of life. And protection, self-preservation, go hand in hand, making sure that should you and your family meet any adversity, whether it be physical, mentally, financially, you are in a position to where you can meet it head on, or better yet, you can practice preventative maintenance. So even when y'all do meet it, it's a breeze, it's no problem. Next, this group is also going to be comprised of daily affirmations. Like I said, y'all, we got a text line, we're going to have private groups, Zoom calls, we got a lot going on. So you'll be able to get these affirmations multiple times on a daily basis. As I told you guys, one of the big advantages of this group is you're going to have direct accessibility to myself, and the exclusivity comes in because, like I told you, I'm wrapping up those campaigns and all that activeness that I have on social media. So you guys will be able to build with me here, precisely, directly, and all the time, multiple times a day. I mean, just imagine this, right? With the texting aspect of it. Imagine, you tend to slip early in the morning, and the first thing you read 5 a.m. in the morning is that, listen, adversity don't sleep, so I suggest you get your ass up and meet it head on. Some of y'all need that, that slight kick in the ass first thing in the morning. The first hour of your day you spend on social media, you don't even get out of bed yet. So you need somebody like myself and my team to just, drop a little tough love on your subconscious to help you get up and get your day started. Weekly self-development, self-love challenges. This is one I'm gonna give y'all a little sample right now that I'm actually gonna ask you guys to do. But if we're really focusing on self-love, right, I want a lot of you guys to be mindful. Derica, you're not whispering quietly. I want a lot of you guys to be mindful that a lot of you guys' level of self-love and adequacy is based around the materials and the things that you actually add to yourself to make you feel loved. But the question I would want you to ask yourself is, without all that shit, could you still feel loved? So like one of the challenges, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a sample, is I'm going to encourage you to give away one of your most prized material possessions and to see, can you do it, and how do you feel the day after. And what a lot of you guys are gonna realize, I'm going to encourage you guys to give away one of your most prized possessions in terms of materials. And what you're beginning to realize following that day after is literally nothing about your life is going to change. Except the simple fact that subconsciously you can't tell yourself, damn, I got those shoes that I love anymore. But you're going to realize that you're still going to breathe the next day. You're still going to function. Your brain still works. And you still have the opportunity to progress and become a more dangerous person. Small stuff, y'all, like spending 30 minutes reading a day. Fasting and discipline, practicing solitude. I tell you guys all the time, you're not going to be anything bigger than the world if you are still of it. If we're going to be real, a lot of you guys can't really create a plan of action because you're so wrapped up in the world's plan of action. So basically, you don't know how to quiet out the noise. Like, you'll die if you get off social media. You'll die if you don't have a TV. Those are the things, y'all, that we're going to be focusing on. Like, when you get more in touch with yourself, it's just common sense and a simple math that you're going to have, in terms of your self-awareness, that's going to make you way more dangerous. In my personal opinion, when you have a healthy level of both self-love and self-awareness, you're going to navigate the world, at a much better rate. I'm not moved by things of the world because I know who I am and I know what I bring to the table. So when the world throws some bullshit my way, if I don't know how to react immediately, I can reassure myself that, give me a couple hours, give me a day or two, and I'm going to have my shit back together and I'm going to be on my square. Because I'm solely relying on what I bring to the world, not what the world going to bring to me. If you get what I mean. And lastly, y'all, we're going to have assessments and group accountability. And what that simply means is that not only will I be on your ass, but, feel free. Like, some of y'all may see me eating something one day while we on Zoom that y'all feel like it, isn't in my best interest. Don't hesitate to be on my ass as well. We all a work in progress. We all evolving at different levels. But that's the dope thing about this group and the Gods Amongst Men group is that you'll be able to bring your transparency and your shortcomings to the table as well as me. I'm going to pull from you. You're going to pull from me. And hopefully at the end of the day, we all can meet at the top of the hill and laugh about the shit that we went through to get here. So again, anybody that's interested in that type of material and that type of accountability and that type of group, be sure to join ASAP. I told you guys, space is limited And other than that, look forward to a text from me. I don't really sleep much, so I might hit you up 3 in the morning, cussing you out and reminding you that you need to get your shit together. And if your shit is already together, then you can rest assured that you walking in your right path and your correct journey, because you already aligned with the things that I'm trying to impute into your life and into your mission.